Hi, I'm Michel from StairDesigner. In this video, I will show you the link parameter Newel post stringboard. Here is a 3D view of a stair showing the Newel post and the stringboard. The Newel post has been set in a transparent mode so that you can clearly see how the link between these two elements is working. On the right side of the screen is your property screen, which is showing the different parameters and allows you to change them individually or for the complete stair. The general rule is when no selection is applied, the parameter settings will be effective on the complete stair. That's what you can see also in the title of the property screen, which is called Stair. When a single element has been selected, you will see that your property screen will change to an individual setting and being called to that element. Let's have a look to the parameter Newel post stringboard. We navigate to the property screen. There we see the different parameters for your stair. Below you can find the link parameter. Let's open this parameter and it will reveal all the different parameter links that you have for that specific stair. So we are looking now for the Newel post stringboard link. When we open this, we will see there is one setting called penetration, which has now been set to 0 mm. This means that there is no penetration from the stringboard to the Newel. This is clearly visible here in the 3D that the stringboard will only meet the face of the Newel. Let's now add a penetration to that parameter. For example, 10 mm. Now you can see that the stringboard has penetrated the Newel by 10 mm. But not only on this spot, but on all different spots where a stringboard meets a Newel post. This is because we have not selected any element. We are in the complete stair parameter change. Let's go back. Now you see that here and here the penetration has disappeared. If we now select only the front Newel post and we go to the link and we say the link to the stringboard and we add a penetration, now you will see that the penetration has only occurred on the stringboard facing the front Newel post. On the second Newel post, which is the corner Newel post, no penetration has been added. Let's go back to the general parameter again and select again the Newel post stringboard parameter. We add a penetration. So here you see the penetration happening. Once you have set a penetration, you will have a set of additional parameters so that you can modelize the connection with the Newel post. How does this happen? So we have 3 additional parameters, which is called the upper recess, the lower recess, and the lateral recess. So the upper recess will create a cutout on the top of the stringboard. The lower recess will do the same on the lower side. The lateral recess will make a lateral recess on the side of your stringboard. Let's add some parameters settings. 25 mm upper recess and a 25 mm lower recess. You see here clearly that the cutout has been created for your setting. If we add now a lateral recess, you will see that it has been creating a tenon connection with the Newel post. By making a separate 3D view of your stringboard, you can see the tenon that has been created. Again, it has been created on all Newel posts. If I go look here on the top stringboard, you will see that also here a tenon has been created. Thank you for watching this video.